Hello there viewers, especially sa kabulits natin dyan. And ngayon, for today's reaction video, tingnan natin yung full performance ng G22 sa Malaysia. Oh, grabe diba? Malaysia na. Sa Asia Pacific Predator League 2025. So, ayan, itong video na to ay nirecommend ni. So, thank you guys sa panonood ng mga videos ko and sa mga recommendation. Ito na ngayon, tara, check natin. Ganda ng intro song. Ito yung nireact ko, di ba? It Lies Within. Ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda ng intro talaga eh. Wow. Grabe yung confidence.
We are G22. I'm Jazz, I'm Ophea, and I'm AJ. Are you ready for it or?
Oh, sa Malaysia to, no? Iba na yung buhok ni AJ. Wow, grabe yung costume nila dito.
You know how people say it's darkest before the dawn.
Naka ano to? Tawag yung body suit? Ano tawag nga to? Suot ni Althea. Saka yung mga fans, hindi pa ano ng camera. Maganda siguro kung may backup dancers ditong part. Oh, di ba? Grabe yung harmonization nila. Grabe naman yung expression ni AJ. Si AJ ba yung leader dito? Napapansin ko, palaging nag-harmonize si AJ at si Jazz. Nakalagay TBS. TBS. Wala sa South Korea yun, yung show. Hindi ako sure. May channel? Oh, diba? Oh, wow, ang galing nyo na. Pero yung concept na to, bakit wala kay Althea? Oh, so dito, parang hindi na sila sasayaw. Di ba may choreo to? So more on singing sila dito. Grabe, ang laki ng stage. Pwedeng mag-solo si AJ. Wow! Wow, AJ! Wow! Pataasan to. Wow! Okay, yeah. Ang grabe yung boses ni AJ talaga. Grabe yung register ng voice niya. Klarong-klaro. Oh, ano kayo susunod?
Ready, aim, shoot. Once again, we are G22.
May komentary.
Apagabar, I am Jazz. Hello guys, I am Althea. What's up? I'm AJ. Woo! If you guys are curious about us, we are a P-pop group from the Philippines, and we are just so proud that we are waving our flag right now. And of course,
mag-side view
thank you so much,
mukhang
Predator, that we
Lisa ng
were able to
Blackpink
sing your
si
theme
AJ.
song. It lies within so much honor, and we are so honored. Yeah, and. Yeah, thank you so much, Predator, for all the opportunities, for bringing us here in Malaysia and different parts of the world.
That's true. Terima kasih to everyone here, and congratulations to the progress that the players have thus far. And of course, good luck!
Cute.
Yes. And for today, we're gonna be setting this stage on fire.
Woo!
Station
Are
5.
you guys
Bang
ready
ba
for
yan?
our next song?
This is called
Ay, bumirang pala. Hindi ko ma-memorize yung ano talaga ito nung mga songs nila.
Let's go!
You ain't ready for what, Malaysia?
Don't you complain like I got you paged when you got my foot out the door. I'm not entertained.
Yun talaga napansin ko, no? Parang mas maganda yung performance, intense tingnan siya pag may mga backup dancers. Yun yung hula.
Look back, hands side, boomerang. Be my boomerang.
Wow! DJ.
This is how it's played. This what a trophy's all for. Sakhan and for.
This is not a competition, but a revolution. Now you're clear with your vision. You need a doctor's prescription. You acting tough when you high on ego. Knock on my door when your head on too low. You wanna leave, get by. You keep the key, you'll be back no time.
Wow, EJ. Saan yung mga fans? Wow, gano'n yung low note ni EJ. Sana may mga pa-fireworks sa gilid, no? Yan na. Ooh. Sana ipita, no, sa yung mga fans. Para mas exciting yung video. Oh, kaya niyo yan. Kahit walang fans dyan na sumisigaw or meron lang, hindi lang kinakapto. Yan, sumisigaw na. Okay. Oo, tama. Ano, kay Pablo na kanta ka. Limitless. Nasaan na yung dalawa? Solo muna si EJ. Wow. May pa-effect pa to. Parang yung, anong letter, ano ba yan? Letter D ba yan? Yung belt niya. EJ, ano, dito ba yan? Maganda ah. Parang superhero sila. Wow. EJ. Galing rapper din si EJ.
I send the gel will light the darkest road. And if I drive, I know I will be fine. There's no doubt in my mind. Combined with intelligence.
We made our own destiny. Take flight till we out of sight. The way release all this energy. This energy. I know there's more inside of me. This heart and mind and technology will break the chains of frail terror.
Woo.
I am limitless.
Maganda sana kung nag-outfit sila na. Hinubad na niya rin. Either hinubad na nila yung mga jacket nila or may nilagay sila na ano, palda or something na skirt. Diba? Iba eh, pang letter D yung kay Ophelia. Oh, di ba? Meaning mo talaga sa mic eh. Kumakanta talaga ng live.
Technology be in harmony and I poof. Skies are open, stars of a bitch and get steady. Ready and shoot, shoot, shoot.
Dream of our own destiny. Take flight till we out of sight, then wait. Release all this energy. This energy.
I know this for inside me. This heart of mine and technology will break the chains of frailty. Hey, I am limitless. Everybody put your hands up.
Oh, hands up daw. Sana may kinokos na audience
No
na.
limits to what I can do. Coming through, calibrate every move. Innovative, unimpeded.
Oy!
Circuits in
Nadapa!
my soul.
Oh no! Buti na lang. Hindi, ano lang.
No lesser
Just-
being. I know me from the core, but out there's so much more. So open up the door.
Oh, bakit?
There's no containing this whisper.
Akala ko patulong si Jazz. Ang sakit, diba? Parang
Surpass the rope.
inano niya si AJ eh. Hawak kamay tayo, parang gano'n. Yan, bawi ka sa vocal, diba? Ay, hindi ba yun? Hindi ba meron po yan? Pagka, ito. May rinig ako. Ah, okay. Yun pa yung last. Ang ganda na. Tingnan nyo yung mukha ni, ano talaga, ni
Wow,
Jazz.
what an electrifying performance. Thank you very much
Oh,
to
sino yung
G22.
host?
That was
Malaysian ba
intense.
yan?
It's feeling hot around here. You guys enjoying the show?
Wow.
Wow, look at that. Look at that.
Yes, now, just now, I did mention that G22 is from the Philippines.
Yes, you
Same
did.
goes to Team Zol, which is in the
Magaling sila
grand finals. Now,
mag-English, ah.
Flava has always been disturbing me backstage. Like, Rose, can you teach me some Tagalog phrases? Can you teach me some Tagalog phrases?
Yes, I did.
So, what do you want to know? What do you want to say?
How do I say thank you? But not just a mere thank you, like a good one. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So, a way to say thank you very much in Tagalog is maraming salamat.
Oh, Pinoy ba yung babae?
Slow.
Maraming
Maraming,
salamat.
maraming salamat, G22.
Yes! That's perfect.
Okay. So, that's it guys. Sa performance ng G22 sa APEC Toy 2025. So, sa Malaysia pala yung in-held. Di ba last time dito lang sa Philippines. So, yung G22 lang yung pumunta doon. Wala na yung SB19 at ibang artists. Yun natin sure. And yun, yung APEC talaga is, ano ba, international din pala to eh. So, ang swerte talaga ng G22. Ulit, swerte ng APEC sa G22. Kasi every time na ini-invite sila, makaka-expect ka talaga na intense and na performance coming from the girls. And ayun, sila lang talaga eh. Walang mga pa-effect para mas gumanda yung performance. Wala din mga backup dancers, mga lighting, mga sound effect, mga ganon. Ano lang talaga, kakanta at sasayaw lang talaga sila. And makukontento ka na talaga sa kanila at ma-amaze sa performance nila. Ayun guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng reaction na video kong ito sa G22. And if you have any suggestions pa or recommendations na video na gusto niyo panoorin ko, and please leave it a comment lang. So, thank you guys again. See you next time. Bye-bye.